In this video, we will show you how to see card numbers on the Wells Fargo app. If you guys want to get started with Wells Fargo app, you can use the links down in the description. First, open the app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from your device's app store and log in using your Wells Fargo online banking credentials. Then look for the main menu, usually represented by three horizontal lines or a hamburger icon in the upper left or right corner of the screen. Within the main menu, find and tap on either the accounts or credit card option. This will take you to a screen displaying your Wells Fargo credit card accounts. Next, locate the credit card account for which you want to view the credit card number. The account name should be listed along with the last four digits of each card. Tap on the desired credit card account to open its details page. Here, you find various options and information related to your credit card, including the full card number. So that's how to see card number on Wells Fargo app. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Wells Fargo app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.